Welcome back to the channel to all my loyal viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. Now in today's video, we are going to look at an incident that took place in a Mexican airport involving a Jamaican man. As you can see at the start of this video, there is a little snippet of the incident that took place. Based on YouTube TOS, I will not be able to play the full video. However, you can go over my Instagram page and you can see the full video on the Instagram. Now in this video, you can see a gentleman. He's a Rasta, and he's like him in our holding area. He's in our red sweater, and you can see multiple Mexican authorities there around him. However, they may not seem like police. They may be like maybe immigration or immigration security. Basically, it's like him in a holding area, and he might shout out say he want him passport. When the video starts, the altercation has already been taking place for a while before. Based on the fact that you can see that the glass had already break out, you can see people are run from the scene and all of that. So it don't give you a proper context as to what caused this gentleman to behaving this way. However, based on my knowledge, from hearing my request in passport, I know that immigration them hold on him passport because them not give him no landing in them country. And that's become a normal trend of lately. Based on the fact that all of the Jamaican them go to Mexico to try go over the border, they might give less and less Jamaicans landing in them country because America apply pressure to them, because a lot of Jamaica from a lot of the inner city community, them go to Mexico and them go across the border. An article was published the other day about this incident. So in recent times, them nah give no Jamaican landing in them country. Or little to few Jamaican them get landing in them country. Because I know this personally, because I actually know somebody who was turned back not once but twice from visiting Mexico, and the person wasn't even trying to go over by the border, but that's just their rule in recent times. And as I can see where the incident took place, it's like in being a detention room because multiple other people there. It's not like so them arrest you because them not find him with nothing illegal, but them just now give him a landing and them go put him back on the next flight leaving Mexico. So however, the gentleman maybe get mad, or as I say, the video start in the middle of the incident, so we don't know what triggered him to start behave this way. Well, if we put all context aside and just analyze this incident based on the video we see, this a man you know in a sense. If you're a big man like this, him farm a fool himself, because him himself couldn't even know the danger or he didn't even know what him do to himself. Because when you commit crime on the grounds of airport or on the compound of any port at all, it's a very serious offense, and you're gonna be placed on a ban list. Red notice are gonna be placed on your name. You won't be able to travel no more. No airport not gonna accept you, no airline not gonna accept you, and you're gonna be stuck in Jamaica. So even though you feel like say you want left Jamaica to make a better life, well, maybe you have to take it by the boat or you have to swim, because no, you not can be able to go through no port with this behavior here. And we don't know what really transpire, but regardless of what transpire, the look in this video here, you're not gonna ever get right based on this behavior here. This man I really don't know where he get himself now, because him you know Mexico stay, and Mexico prison system are one of the worst prison system in the world. We always about Jamaica prison system. Check out Mexico prison system, and when him going there, them people are one of the most racist set of people across the world as it relates to black people, because them don't classify themselves as black. So when him reaching the Mexico correctional system, I hope him understand say one of the worst system this him could have ever want to be a part of or get himself involved with. Mexicans and a whole them don't like black people, and them don't like Jamaican. First thing, there's a language barrier. When the man them attack him, now I understand what the man them say. So I hope him keep the same energy and know say anything when him face or him cast it upon himself. Big man like this, them don't know for reason or thing, or don't know how to operate when you're there now. You have to learn for code switch. You can't left the same dunce mentality where you have a Jamaica and go across the world and feel like say people are gonna just accept you know, and feel like say people are gonna just throw down because you're Jamaican. You're a man, you're a big man, you're supposed to can understand the people them say them no wine in them country, the people them just don't wine in them country. And I'm gonna send you back for the next flight. Accept that and go back to your yard. You know what I mean if you show temper tantrum like your kids inside of the people them airport and cause all of this problem. So anything the people them do or anything you get over there, I hope you keep it. I hope you keep the same energy. So me gonna now play a snippet of the video and then you make me know how you feel about this in the comment section. If you like this content, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Like I always said, remember to hug your loved ones.
Hey, give him a passport. 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 Hey, we're ready for passport. Let's talk with the woman now. I want to know. I want to know, brethren. Hey, let's talk.
Claro.